Hey guys, happy Friday. Today we are working with math page 277, making change. All right, so we have a story here. Charity bought a space poster for her bedroom. The poster cost $7.45. If Charity gave the clerk a $20 bill, how much change will she receive? So when we're making change, we're going to use subtraction in order to find our answer. She started with $20 and she spent $7.45. So the amount that she gave is always going to be our top number. How much it cost is always going to be the second number, and then once we get our answer, that's going to be the change that she needs to receive. So we're going to start with our subtraction. A lot of these are going to have borrowing. Remember, if you have zeros up top and you're subtracting, you have to borrow. If your bottom is bigger, you need to borrow. So we're coming all the way over to the 2 because we can't borrow from zeros. There's nothing to borrow. So our 2 becomes a 1. Our first 0 becomes a 10. Now we need to borrow again. We borrow from the 10. It becomes a 9. Our next 0 becomes a 10. Now we have to borrow again. Remember, each time you come across, you have to borrow for each one. So my 10 becomes a 9, and finally my last 0 here can become a 10. And now I can begin subtracting. So I have 10 minus 5 is 5. Okay, as I pause, you can answer out loud, see if you're getting the answers correct. 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 7 is 2. 1 minus 0 is 1. Okay, then I need to put my decimal and put my dollar sign. So it's saying that she will have $12.55 in change. And so now you're going to see charts like this. Yours is going to have pictures, but I'm not that great of a drawer, so I just wrote the numbers on there. So if you are going to pretend that you are the clerk and you have to give somebody money back, and this is very important through your life, you're going to have to be able to do this. So we need to give back $12.55. So you answer as I pause. I want you to answer. Be interactive here. Okay, so would we give her back a $20 bill? No. Okay, because we need to get to 12. How about a $10 bill? Yes. How many $10 bills? 1. If you answered 1, you were correct. Okay, so now we're at $10. We need to get to $12.55. Would we give a $5 bill? No. Okay, that would take us to 15. That's above. We need exact change. How about $1 bills? Yes, we would do how many $1 bills? 2. That would give us 10, 11, 12. Okay, so now we have a dollar amount. Now we need to make our coins for our change. So how many quarters would we give back to get to 55? 2, 25, 50. Would we give any dimes? No, because that would take us to 60. 50 plus 10 is 60. How about a nickel? Yes, 1 nickel. Any pennies? No. Okay, so we're at 25, 50, 55. So now I'm going to go back and double check. So now I go back. Now I have 10, 11, 12, 12.25, 12.50, 12.55. Now, you could have given her 5 pennies, but when you're making change, you want to give them the least amount of dollars and coins possible. Okay, so I wouldn't put 2 quarters and then 5 pennies because I can just give a nickel instead of the 5 pennies. Okay, so when you get to your page, you're going to have a couple of these to do on your own, and then you're also going to have a story problem where you're going to need to make the change as well. All right, so super simple. Just remember to borrow and remember to give them the least amount of dollars and coins that you can. All right, have a good Friday, guys.